Filipino families and retirees invested in good faith and purchased homes in Camp John Hay. The BCDA utilized a decade-old writ as a tool to forcefully and illegally evict these individuals from their homes, claiming that their leases had expired.
Pero meron po talagang bumili
Gusto
dyan.
nila doon tumira.
Doon tumira. At retired na sila. Lahat ng kanilang savings,
Nandun na.
ibinuhos na nila dyan.
Because nagustuhan nila ang Baguio.
Now, ang sabi po ng BCDA, pack up kayo.
Bakit?
Nagpapaskil ng eviction notice sa pintuan.
As per Baguio City's 19 conditionalities, specifically Condition 16, when property leases expire, the BCDA must transfer ownership back to Baguio City. What are the intentions of the BCDA in evicting these families? What do they stand to gain by violating rights and bypassing the 19 conditionalities? BCDA, take responsibility and uphold the sanctity of agreements.